This video will go over how to solve two problems dividing by binomials. The first one is the check yourself problem number 4 on page 215. So we are going to divide, this is our problem here, x squared plus 2x minus 24. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do, remember you always compare these first initial values. So how do I get x to x squared? Well, I just multiply it by x. Then you're going to multiply that back into each of these terms. X times x is x squared. X times negative 4 is negative 4x. Remember, this is subtraction. So x squared minus x squared cancels out. 2x minus negative 4x, that becomes a positive. So 2x plus 4x is 6x. Then we're going to bring down this term. So 6x minus 24. Again, we are going to look at the first terms. How can I make this x and get it to 6x? All I have to do is multiply by a positive 6, so plus 6. Then I draw my lines to remind myself to multiply by each term. 6 times x is 6x. 6, positive 6, and negative 4 is negative 24. Remember, this whole thing is subtraction. 6x minus 6x cancels out. Negative 24 minus a negative, that becomes a positive. So negative 24 plus 24 also cancels out. So this was a nice, clean problem in that our final answer is x plus 6. Now I want to look at doing check yourself 5 on page 215. That problem will have a remainder. And that's okay, we don't have to worry about that because once we know the process, it's not hard, it's just a matter of being organized and going through all the steps. Okay, here's our problem. Remember, we always look at this first one, first term. So how do I get 3x to become 6x squared? Well, 3 to become 6, I know I multiply by 2. And x times what will give me x squared? X times x. So then, multiply 2x times each of these. 6x squared minus 10x. Remember, this is the major error point for people. So 6x squared minus 6x cancels. Great. Negative 7x minus a negative becomes a positive. So negative 7 plus 10x leaves us with 3x. We bring down the next term, plus 15. Now we are going to look at the first term. 3x to 3x. We don't have to do anything. If we multiply it by 1, positive 1, it will stay the same. So I draw my arrows. 3x times 3x gives me 3x. Or I'm sorry, 1 times 3x gives me 3x. 1 times negative 5 gives me negative 5. Remember, we are subtracting here. 3x minus 3x cancels out. 15 minus negative 5. Minus a negative becomes a positive. 15 plus 5 is 20. We cannot do anything with this. This is what we call a remainder. So all we do, this is easy. our remainder is just this value divided by our divisor. And this is our divisor, 3x minus 5. So when you write the whole answer, you're going to write 2x plus 1 plus 20 over 3x minus 5. And that's your final answer.